Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the gap finder indicator for MT4. You can download this indicator by the link in the description below. To run this indicator, simply drag the gap finder indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the Allow Delete Imports in the settings window. I also want to recommend you the FXSI order book indicator. It is an ultimate tool for analyzing market sentiment and crowd behavior. On the left side you can see the distribution of stop-loss and limit orders of retail traders. On the right we have positioning of open trades. Blue are lost trades, orange winning trades. To the left, sellers. To the right, buyers. This information provides infinite possibilities for market analysis. Learn more and try this indicator for free using the link in the description below. Along with order book, you will also get access to 7 other sentiment indicators. The gap finder indicator for MT4 scans the price charts and alerts if there is bullish or bearish gap. Moreover, the indicator can plot the closed gaps in history. You can use these gaps and trade them using the open and closed gap technical strategies. The indicator works well in all intraday price charts as well as the daily, weekly and monthly charts. You can adjust the indicator settings to define the minimum required price gap for trading signals and alerts. Moreover, you can enable or disable the display of closed gaps and open gaps. So how to trade with the gap finder indicator? As you can see on the chart, the indicator shows bullish gaps in blue color and bearish gaps in red color arrows. Gaps are formed when the price jumps while creating a difference between the closing price of the current bar and the opening price of new bar. In a bullish gap, the opening price of the new bar is higher than the closing price of the previous bar. Similarly, in a bearish gap, the opening price of the new bar is lower than the closing price of the previous bar. The main method is to enter the bullish gap with the buy position and place a stop loss below the previous swing low. However, the best take-profit position is based on the next price action. Similarly, if there is a bearish gap, trader anticipates that the prices will continue to be bearish and plays a sell trade. The best stop-loss position is above the previous swing high, with the profit booking based on the price action. The gap finder indicator for MT4 is helpful for section traders for gap trading techniques. However, the major benefit for gap traders is that the alert that helps the trader once there is a gap. Moreover, you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!